All right, folks, let's chat about a little-known secret in the credit world. Seasoned trade lines. Imagine you're learning to cook. You can start from scratch, fumbling with ingredients, or you could have a seasoned chef give you a few tips, fast-tracking your culinary journey. In the realm of credit repair, seasoned trade lines are somewhat like those chef's tips. Let's dive in and simplify things. First up, what's a trade line? In the simplest terms, a trade line is just a fancy name for a credit account listed on your credit report. This could be your credit card, car loan, mortgage, pretty much any credit you've taken on. Each trade line offers a snapshot of your financial behavior with that particular account. Enter the seasoned part. When we say seasoned, we're talking about an account that's been open for a considerable amount of time, typically at least 2 years. Why does age matter? Because an older account tells a longer story of financial behavior. Think of it as a novel versus a short story. Both are valuable, but the novel gives a more in-depth perspective. How do seasoned trade lines boost credit repair? 1. History matters. One of the key components of your credit score is the length of your credit history. By adding a seasoned trade line, you're effectively lengthening that history, giving you a more established credit presence. 2. Positive impact. If the seasoned trade line has a history of timely payments and good credit utilization, basically not maxing out the credit, it can sprinkle some positive vibes onto your credit report. 3. Diversity in credit. Creditors like to see that you can handle different types of credit responsibly. Adding a diverse seasoned trade line, like a mortgage if you only have credit cards, can be beneficial. But how do I get a seasoned trade line? Here's where things get interesting. You can actually borrow someone else's credit history. Let's break that down. 1. Become an authorized user. Let's say your friend Amy has a credit card she's maintained perfectly for 5 years. Amy can add you as an authorized user on her card. Now, Amy's credit history with that card appears on your report too. It's like she's lending you her credit credibility. 2. Purchase a seasoned trade line. There are companies out there that offer seasoned trade lines for sale. It sounds wild, but it's a thing. You pay a fee, and they add you as an authorized user to a seasoned account. But tread carefully. Not all companies are legit, and there's a gray ethical area here. What's the catch? 1. It's temporary. If Jeff removes you as an authorized user or closes his account, that trade line will show as closed and your credit score will go back down at some point. So make your move within 30 days of your credit score boost from that transaction. 2. Their mistakes are yours. 2. If Jeff suddenly maxes out his card or misses payments, it negatively impacts your credit score. Remember, you're sharing the credit journey. 3. Not all lenders are fans. Some lenders are savvy. They might notice you're only an authorized user and might not give that trade line as much weight. 4. It costs. If you're purchasing a trade line, it'll cost you, and prices can be steep depending on the age and credit limit of the account and where you purchase. In conclusion, seasoned trade lines can be a powerful tool in the credit repair toolkit. They offer a way to leverage someone else's good credit behavior to boost your own score. But like all shortcuts, there are risks. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons and make an informed decision. And remember, while seasoned trade lines can accelerate the repair process, consistent good financial habits are the real heroes in the credit repair process.